Okay, what we're looking at is the Shark Matrix robot, and this here is the Shark Robot Dustpan. Let's just take it out. Dustpan. So to open it up, press these two buttons in and then pull up. See that little button right there goes down. Pull this up back here. See, put your fingers there. Pull it up and then it opens up. It has a little filter here, and look at all the dust in there. So what we're going to do is turn it over on the above the garbage pail, I mean. Now the tools you're going to need is a brush to get this filter cleaned off like this. Now this has been 2 times that I've done this, or should I say that I've allowed the robot vacuum cleaner to vacuum clean the house and not cleaned it. The robot dust bin. So what we're going to do is, again, let's just do this. As you can see, it gets a lot of dirt on it. You're not going to be waiting 30 times. If that's what they meant by that. You want to do it probably every other time. And this is how you're going to do it. You're also going to need your Surfon electronic duster. It's can of air. And I'm not going to spray it here because it'll go all over the place. You want to do it out in the garage. Now you want to get down here to the bottom part. Just take and tap a little bit like that. Get all the dirt out of here. Just get all that dust out of there. Now let's go put it back in. Don't get me in the video. Okay, we're going to put it back in the Shark robot. Yes, and we're done.